Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm going to show you the baby album that I made. The album is 12 by 12 inches. It is pretty thick. There are 10 clear page protector pages inside with front and back pages. And the way the pages work is that you can pull just very easily out of the top and take the pages out to do the writing and to add the photos. It also comes with a ready to go with a little place for you to add a picture of the baby in the front and personalize it. This is just the one that came with the album, and it's really beautiful pink gingham. It does also come with a clear protective, like a vinyl cover, but I did take the vinyl cover off just for the sake of the video so there wouldn't be much glare. So instead of showing you all the pages through while they're still in the album because of all this glare, I'm going to take all the pages out and show you each page individually. I'm starting off with a pregnancy page, and I just love this. Anticipating You as the title. This tag doesn't come out, but it does provide a space for journaling. And I love this. Is really focused on the mom. Next we have the baby shower page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 photos can go on this page. I love that. And a space for just details. I mean, clear as day, and real nice little sweet embellishments. I love this page so much. This is the same style of layout where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures and cute embellishments, but this one is a baby's arrival and a cute little card that shows or has space for you to put the name, date, weight, and height. And I love the soft color palettes. It's just so sweet. I love the little lacy touches right here. And imagine just putting your photos in. It's going to be just absolutely beautiful. Here we have a single layout that goes next. And this is just the daddy's girl, mommy's girl. 50% of a mom and 50% of a dad, but it's authentic you. Here's some spots for some journaling. You can add details. Next is just a single layout, all kinds of baby pictures in the hospital. Just there's so many pictures of that moment. And so this is just a welcome to this world, more pictures, and then space for you to write. Here's where we get into the visitors. So this is a double layout, and I love this detail here. Not only does it say congratulations, and you've got the little dress and the little chipboard elements, but I really like this. Look who's finally here, and you've got space for the name and was born on the date, at time, after, and you put the number, hours of labor. Everyone was so blank. You feel an emotion to see her. Obviously, it would be, there's really only a few emotions I would imagine, but I really like that it's kind of like that Mad Libs feel to it. Then this, our visitors, so excited to meet you, and there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here, these pictures are 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And you could put just one of baby here, or make this 4 and one of baby here. Or maybe if there's visitors with, like if it's grandma and grandpa and you've got a grandma and a grandpa, you know, or whatever. But I really like that way that page turned out. Beautiful. Now here starts what we've been waiting for. This is the beginning of the 1 month, 2 month, and month to month growth. So I added the Enjoy How You Grow title with a little brand new and totally perfect little with the feet. Look at. So I've got 1 month here for a photo, then 2 months here, and you'll see how each page kind of leads up to then the first birthday. A nice little subtle detail that says special on the side. I just think that's real cute. Okay, continuing on, we've got this page is solely for 2 photos that have to do with 3 months. Of course, there is room over here if you wanted to add like 1, 2, 3, like tiny, teeny, tiny photos or more photos, but this is the 3-month page. So much changes month to month, but there's so many milestones at 3 months that are just all brand new and worth documenting. So you've got the little chipboard elements, a little place to write here and here, and then spots for 2 photos. This page totally dedicated to the 4-month milestone. And so here you've got the 4 months and then just the baby title. I think that's real nice and simple. And I love these little embellishments, places to write here and here. And little butterflies in the hearts, little toys, just so cute. Here's a really, really cute single page for the 5-month milestone, and here's a little space to write right here, and just a simple chipboard title that says amazing. Lots of brad embellishments. I love the balance of this. It's just really cute, and space for a photo at least. Certainly you could put more photos and it wouldn't matter if you covered up this little picture or not. More space to write here and here, or you could put another photo here. There's plenty of room for creativity, or to just put your picture down and keep it stepping. I absolutely love this so much. So this, as we're getting closer to the year milestone mark, we're just sort of celebrating the month-to-month pictures 1 month at a time, 1 picture at a time. It's just too cute for words. I just love that little vellum title and the matching coordinating moms hold little hands now, hearts forever. Isn't that sweet? So you've got the 6-month milestone here, then the 7-month here, 8 and 9. And this paper is just, I just love, love, love the paper and all the little embellishments and the clusters, just so cute. Here we have the 10 and 11 month pages. I love this title here with the little cutouts too that match the coordinating paper. There's spots here to write a few things down, but also right within here. And you've got a spot for the 10-month page for 2 photos, and then the 11-month page for 2 photos as well. And finally, here we are at the 1-year mark. So this is definitely for the first birthday party or first birthday celebration. And I love how the little like vintage kids and the little lined paper, but it's and the little crossword. Isn't that cute? And then the 12 months, so you can write a little thing about milestones at 12 months, but still room for 6 large photos from the party. You know there's going to be someone smashing a cake or a cupcake or something like that, and you've got plenty of pictures from that event. Now this is the last page of the album. This could be any picture that would go, just any picture. There's always a picture that's just a sweet, sweet picture from the first year, a favorite picture, and that would be perfect to go right there. This tag does come out, and you can definitely write some things down, or put, you know, this would be cool to put maybe the little bracelet or the little, you know, hospital bracelet or something like that into here. You could also interchange this if you didn't like the order and put this as the first page if you didn't want the pregnancy page in the first page. But it seems like this would be the end where you're just kind of looking back, and this says wonder, to be curious about. There's a picture there that goes right in there, and I bet you're thinking of it perfectly right now. Thank you for walking through the album with me. I hope you have been inspired maybe in your own crafting. And if you're looking at it from the shop, now you can see what's inside the album before you add it to your cart. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.